In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a domain on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to complete your purchase smoothly. First, open your browser and sign into your Cloudflare account. If the dashboard is new to you, don't worry, we're keeping it simple. From the main dashboard, look to the navigation and click on Domains. This takes you to the area where Cloudflare manages everything related to domain names. Next, select Registration. This is where you can search for and purchase a new domain directly through Cloudflare. Now, click Buy Domain to begin. You'll see a search bar asking for the domain you want. Type the exact name you're considering, no need to add www, and click Search. Take a moment here to double check your spelling. A small typo can lead to buying the wrong name. If your first choice is available, you'll see pricing and can proceed. If it's not available, Cloudflare will show suggested domain names you can choose from. These might include different extensions or slight variations. Scan through the alternatives and choose one that's short, clear, and easy to remember. Avoid complicated hyphens or long strings of words if possible. Once you've found the domain you want, click Confirm. You'll now be guided through the registration details. Enter the necessary information for the domain registration. Keep these details accurate and up to date, as registration information is used to verify ownership. If any fields are pre-filled from your account, review them carefully for correctness. Next, select your payment method. Cloudflare supports common options, so choose whatever works best for you. Enter your payment details and follow the prompts on your screen. You'll see a summary before you finalize the purchase. Use that to confirm the domain name, the price, and the term length. If anything looks off, go back and make corrections before submitting. After you complete the payment, Cloudflare will process your registration. You should see a confirmation message, and your domain will appear under the domain section shortly. From there, you can manage it alongside the rest of your Cloudflare resources. That's it. You've registered a domain on Cloudflare. Keep a record of your purchase confirmation and remember to renew on time to keep your domain active. Thanks for following along and happy building.